Welcome back to Stay at Home Grow Your Own. Today we're with the peas. We planted these about 3 weeks ago and they've grown really well. But as you can see now, they're getting quite tall and they need some extra support. What we do next is use some canes. These are 3-foot bamboo canes that you can buy, or you can use any twigs or bits of branch that you collect either from your own garden or from out walking. Anything that will give them a twig to grow up is quite sufficient. So with the canes, I'm going to spread them around the edge of the pot, putting them in deep enough so that they're nice and firm, and then I'll be pulling them into the centre to make a little wigwam, and that's plenty enough for them to make their way around. So persevere, they do spring back on you a couple of times, but you should end up with a wigwam, and then you can just start feeding around some of the tendrils just around the plants to get a first grip, but they'll soon make their own way. So that's literally it for now. Nothing else to do except wait for them to grow some more. Keep them regularly watered. You'll see the flowers appear first, and then if they're pollinated shortly after, the pods will form and should have peas for about a month's time. Don't forget to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel at Abberton Rural Training, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy planting!